Hi everyone, I am Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video, I'm sharing with you an alternative clearing statement that you can use when you're doing tapping. So, when you're doing tapping, the clearing statement, the standard clearing statement is, even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. So that is the standard EFT clearing statement that we use generally. Over the years, it's been 15 years of my tapping journey. And so over the years, I've come across lots of different people using different, statements or different healing techniques that I have combined with EFT to have, an alternative to use. And so I wanted to share one of the many clearing statements that I have come across. And it is by Christie Marie Sheldon. Maybe you're familiar with her work. She's been focusing on helping people clear abundance blocks. But really, those clearing statements can be used across all blocks, not just abundance blocks. And so how does that clearing statement go? And how do you combine it with tapping? So here's how it looks like. So you could pick any problem, money problem, relationship problem, a health problem, a job challenge that you're going through, anything, and you just say, even though I have this problem, this pain, this challenge, all the reason why that is, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimensions, space, and reality. So just like you would do the three times of tapping on this particular spot, you say that another 2 times. Even though I have this challenge, even though I have this problem, all the reason why that is, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. Even though I have this problem, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. And as you finish that third statement, you can move on to tapping just as you would in any tapping routine. This problem that I have, this challenge that I'm going through, this issue that I want to address, all the reasons why I have this, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. Deleting, destroying, and uncreating all the reasons why I have this challenge across all time, dimension, space, and reality. Deleting, destroying, and uncreating all the reasons why I have this challenge across all time, dimension, space, and reality. And I would continue to address this problem as I'm thinking about this, I'm tuning into it, and I will continue to say that this problem, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality until I feel a shift. Now, why do I love this statement? First of all, there are many times when we are going through a relationship challenge, a money challenge, a job challenge, or whatever challenge, and we don't know what is the root cause. How did this happen? And of course, I'm assuming that you are, you come from the same philosophy that you create your own reality, that your thoughts create your own reality. But sometimes you just don't know, how did I create this? How did I create this money block? How did I create this challenge in this relationship? Sometimes you just don't know. And instead of just waiting to, to discover what is the root cause, it could take forever. And sometimes we just don't know. How much do we know of what's really going on, right? So this is a wonderful technique to use so that you're saying, all the reasons why I have this challenge, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it. Now, since I've studied Christie Marie Sheldon for a while, there are specific reasons why she uses those terms, delete, destroy, and uncreate. And so delete is about deleting it in all time, dimension, space, and realities. We don't know when we created this problem. We don't know the time we created this problem. Were we 2 years old? Was it past lives? We don't know. So that's why it's across all time, all dimension, all space, all realities, and uncreated from the use of delete, destroy, destroying it all across all realities, and uncreating it. It's kind of like plugging it out from the very first time we created this issue. And God knows when this was, when we were very young, or again, past lives, we don't know. And so we are unplugging it, we are destroying it, we're taking all the energy out of this challenge that we are having. And we are using this statement to address to ourselves and to the universe that all the reasons why I'm going through this challenge, I delete it, I destroy it, I uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. So once again, it would look like, even though I have this challenge, all the reasons why that is, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. Even though I have this frustration, even though I have all this anxiety, all the reason why that is, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. Even though I have this chronic pain, all the reason why that is, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it across all time, dimension, space, and reality. I know I'm saying it fast. I'm just used to saying it fast, but you can slow it down and you can use it. And it's a wonderful alternative way to clear out, release, let go of all the reasons why you are, why you're not getting the relief, the freedom, you're not being able to break free from a pattern, from a cycle that is holding you back and keeping you stuck. So I hope you will give it a try and use this alternative in your tapping routine and see, and do leave a comment if you give it a try and how that worked for you. So I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.